Hi and welcome to my channel, and as you could tell by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be doing a Disney character's makeup look. No.
Inspired.
So I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by a Disney character. There you go. So if you do enjoy this video and you want to see what I create, then carry on watching. My laptop here, and I thought that I would go on the a Disney character route. What's it called again, Jordan?
What?
When it goes like this.
Roulette.
Yeah, like a roulette. Is it called that?
Randomizer.
Yes, a randomizer to pick my Disney character. So I'm thinking to start with Disney princesses first and then just see how this goes. So before I do get into this video, I'm not going to be recreating it. I don't want, it's a makeup look that's inspired. So I'll be taking bits from the character and making it into my own. Okay, so we're gonna go number of princesses 1 and we're gonna generate it and see which princess we've got to create today. Ooh, we have the beautiful Mulan, one of Jordan's favourite characters. So I'm going to go for some inspiration. So as you can see, she wears a lot of the, a green, a lime green, dark blue. I'm going to focus, I think, loads of these colours in the eye area. Let's go for this, shall we? Disney music in the background while I do this and speed up loads of the process. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do first is I think I'm going to start with the eyes. Winged eyeliner effect, making it really sharp. A blue and green moment and a little bit of yellow maybe in the inner corner and a bit of shimmer as well, and then some false eyelashes. So let's get cracking. I'm going to use probably the Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is the Reloaded palette, and I've also picked up a Avon Big Pencil eye pencil, which is like a crayon, so maybe that will come in handy, and 2 eyeliners in blue and green. One of my favourite songs from Mulan, Reflection. Out of you. I like this song as well. Okay. Oh, I have gone with greens. I'm going to go with greens, I think, for the base of the eye. We've gone for shades 2 and 4, which I think, if I'm going in the right way. So we've got this green here. Oh, I've said the wrong greens. We've got shade 2 and shade 6 Star, so these 2 here. Okay, so we've gone for a blue. It's kind of turned out to be a blue wing. And then where did I put them? Oh yeah, I do have some blue and green eyeliners that I'm So, as you can see, I've decided to go underneath the eye with a green crayon. And then in the corner of the eye, I've gone with a yellow eyeshadow. And then just a little bit of highlight on top just to make it pop. So I think it works quite nicely. I think it looks a bit like Ariel. I don't know why. I'm just getting the blues, the greens. It looks like the sea. I think Ariel would be more glitzy because, yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up now because it's gone everywhere. And I'm going to add a black eyeliner and eyelashes. And then we'll do the other eye. So for the winged eyeliner, I'm going to be using Avon True Super Definition Eyeliner in the colour black. I don't know what happened there, but the eyeliner decided to have a little party of its own. And then I'm going to be using lashes, and the eyelashes that I'm using are from Primark. Okay, so got hiccups. This is the eye look that I'm going to go for. So yeah, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back and we can do the face, eyebrows, the lips and all that jazz. The blue actually turned out really nicely as well. Green is really glistening. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I'm coming as close as I can in your space. Oh, I just lost my other eyelash. Oh, there it is. I got it. Okay, so now I have finished with the eyes, which I'm actually quite happy with. They turned out pretty okay. Mulan, she doesn't really wear makeup. Thought I would keep that simple on this end as well. So I'm just gonna go in with BB cream and a little bit of concealer, a little bit of like rosy cheeks just to bring that element out of her. The Revolution highlighter, Raise the Bar. And for blush, I'm going to add just a little bit of this one here. I mean, my cheeks are already rosy, so it's not like they need a lot anyway. Now, I don't know what lip colour to do because, I mean, Mulan really wears like a nude lip. Maybe this one? It's a sleek matte me in the colour Birthday Suit. Let's see what this looks like. Don't know. Go in with the NYX matte bronzer in the shade Medium. My hair is all over the place. I think that's the finished look. So I'm going to do my hair and then I will be back. Okay, so this is the hairstyle I've gone for. Oh, I left loads out. Oh well, just pretend you didn't see that. Still not sure about the lips. I think that will make it look like the Little Mermaid. But yeah, that is the final finish and I'm quite happy with it. I really liked how the eyes turned out. Maybe I can do like Disney, why have I forgotten what they're called? Disney villains, or maybe I can do other just random Disney characters like Mickey Mouse and just kind of like make my look inspired by those. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!